Unlock the power of print-on-demand for your Squarespace store and effortlessly sell custom gear without lifting a finger. In this quick guide, we'll walk you through connecting your Printful account to your Squarespace website, opening up a world of custom products for your customers first. Log into your Printful account. Navigate to the Stores or Integrations section. You're looking for the option to connect a new platform. Click on Add New Store. You'll see a list of popular e-commerce platforms. Locate and select the Squarespace logo. Printful will then guide you through the connection process. Now, you'll need to authorize the connection. Printful will likely prompt you to log into your Squarespace account. Follow the on-screen instructions to grant Printful access to your Squarespace site. Once authorized, your accounts are linked. This means any product you create in Printful with your amazing designs can now be seamlessly listed on your Squarespace store. To add a product, go to your Squarespace dashboard, navigate to Inventory, and then Products. When adding a new product, look for an option to sync with a third-party provider or similar text. Select Printful. You can now design your products in Printful and select them to appear directly on your Squarespace when a customer orders. Printful automatically handles printing, packing, and shipping. This is the easiest way to expand your product offerings and start selling custom print-on-demand items on your Squarespace site. Happy selling!